flashes down.
I'm not taking a picture.
Oh, are you recording?
So, where are we?
You're so cute, baby.
Where are we, baby?
You're so cute.
Where are we?
You're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Baby. I think it followed us.
I think so.
The cat. The cat followed us. I think he wants food. He wants kibbles. Maybe bits too. I think you want kibbles and bits. Oh god. Oh god. Baby. Baby.
So where are we, baby?
We're at Spaceview Park.
What time is it?
I don't know what time it is. It's late. It's like 1 in the morning.
And why are we here?
Because you're crazy. Because you dragged me here against my will, baby.
Can we see why we're here?
Be careful.
We can't really see.
Oh, no.
I know what that building is.
Oh yeah, I had a thing that was sad, but
Yeah, now I know what it is. I'm excited.
stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Maybe the car's gonna get you.
No.
Okay.
Gators maybe.
We'll be back in the morning.